Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make one of the most popular street snacks in West Africa called puffpuff. Stay tuned and watch how I make this. In a bowl, I've added my flour, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of salt, yeast. I'll be grating my nutmeg. Add sugar. I'll be using warm water for this, so I'll be adding the water bit by bit and mix thoroughly. You can also use your hand to mix this. I'll be mixing to make sure there is no lump. When I'm done mixing, I'll be covering the bowl with a foil and leave it to rise for about 45 minutes. 5 minutes, you will notice that the mixture have doubled in size and is thicker and stretchy. Add oil into a preheated pan. It should be deep enough to cover the puff-puff. When the oil is hot enough, scoop some batter into the oil. I'll be using the ice cream scoop. You can also use your hand or spoon. Please make sure there is space in the frying pan to avoid overcrowding the puff-puff. And also reduce the heat to medium so that the puff-puff will fry gradually. Now you allow the puff-puff to fry the both sides. When you notice that the puff-puff have turned golden brown, remove from the oil and set aside. My puff-puff is ready. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.